everybody, thought it was about time I got around to do a bike check and show everyone my Street Glide Special 2022 model in Gunship Grey. Let's have a walk around and have a look. Alright, let's start with the motor. It's got a Star Racing 3030 cam in it, 8 performance intake ported manifold and comp. Beautiful bike to ride, been dyno tuned, very smooth. Okay, up front guys, I now have R&S 6.5 inch bars with the Archetype 5.5 inch adjustable pullback riser. I've always had from the get-go, when I got this bike I changed it. I put Giza Glide triples on it, which changes it from I think about 6.25 to about 5.79 rake, so it's a reduced rate, makes it more nimble. Got the R&S heavy breather there, lights, I've got the hog lights at the front, LED indicators, Ciro light cannons, great for riding at night. At the back, Ciro bag blades with the Latitude rear light, and can be programmed through the Light Strike app on your phone. Suspension, Öhlins Screaming Eagle independent reservoir on the back, beautiful suspension. Got Bitubos in the front, in the inners. Alright, Clockworks front fender and 6.5 inch screen, makes a massive difference. And comfort wise, I run the Saddlemen seats. This one here is probably my favourite to date, which is the Tourer Step Up. Very comfy. So there's a couple other bits and pieces that I've done to it guys, but it's more cosmetic, such as mirrors, nut protectors on the axle covers. All in all, she's been a fantastic bike. So there we have it, my Street Glide 2022 model. Well guys, I've been contemplating this for a while. Finally got the better of me. Sorry John, but I've turned to the dark side. Picked up a Road Glide this morning. The colour is Midnight Firestorm. It's part of the factory custom of 2025. So let's have a look. There's the new Midnight Firestorm Road Glide. It's got subtle flames to it. Custom badging. I really like the way it rides. Totally stock. Haven't even got slip-ons on it. Absolute stock. Rides beautifully. Obviously I'm going to change a few things on it. So I've turned the page over. I'm starting a new chapter.